All right, welcome to a Mac Basement unboxing. I've done a lot of unboxings in my time, but I've never actually recorded one, so here we go. This is my new iPhone 12 Pro that just came in today. I've been waiting to unbox it for the whole day, patiently waiting till I had time. I didn't want to get a preview. Here it is in its beautiful new extra slim box now that Apple doesn't provide a power adapter. One of the cool things that I have at my disposal is my very large collection of Apple packaging. So for comparison, this is my iPhone 10 box. Ooh, amazing. See how much thicker it is. It's a little bit shorter. It's not black. Apple started doing the black box to represent their Pro iPhones last year with the rebranding of the iPhone Pro line. So we're going to open it up, see what's inside. Apple's got a cool little tabby thing here that tells you how to take the plastic off in case you don't know. So the plastic comes off. Ooh, wonderful. And then inside we have a phone. Look at that. Pretty phone. It almost looks like an aluminum back because it's got that frosted look to it. Really quickly it looks aluminum, but it is not. The edges are stainless steel, polished, also known as super duper fingerprint catchers. It looks nice. It's shiny, it's kind of shimmery. There's a lot of cameras going on back there. It's not the deep blue of the iPhone 12 that I would prefer, but it'll work. We have our SIM card slot there. Volume buttons, lock button. Ooh, look, I got fingerprints on it already. Sorry. Silence button. That's the lock button and the power button. And this cool little weird window doodad is for 5G millimeter wave, only available in the US. So US phones have this and international phones don't. Set that aside. What do we have in the box? We have our fancy USB-C to Lightning cable. I have one of these already because it came with my AirPod Pros. And then we have this tiny little booklet which has the SIM eject tool, little, not instructions, but, well, kind of instructions, and then a bunch of legal stuff, and then another Apple sticker. Yay! I plan to retire on the number of Apple stickers I have. So there you go, there's the box. And in comparison, this is the iPhone X's box with a full-size set of instructions with a whole booklet about how to use Apple's brand new paradigm. Face ID, buttons, the new gestures, all that fun stuff is in here. I get 2 Apple stickers. They've cut the Apple stickers in half. Very stingy of them. And then, of course, we've got room for a cable, which at the time was not a USB-C to Lightning cable. It was just a plain old USB to Lightning cable. Headphones would go here. Power adapter would go there, and then the phone laid in. So that's what we got for that. Fun stuff. Let's peel this magical paper off. I read something that this is like better for the environment. I don't know. But it's got little icons which are cute that tell you what all the buttons do and where the charging port is. So we peel that off. Ooh, there's the phone. Super exciting. I do like the way it feels a lot more. It's a clean look. It's nice. We have uneven speaker grill holes, dun dun dun, because there has to be this little antenna break here. One thing that everyone who obsessed with detail is all excited about, though, is that this Lightning port is now vertically centered. It used to be a little bit further towards the top, I believe. So there we go. I brought some friends along because that's part of what this is all about. So here's its closest relative in terms of form. That's an iPhone 5. Much smaller, but the same basic design lineage. The back of the Well, this is a 5S. The back of the 5S is just terrible in comparison, other than it's not, you know, 1/8 cameras, but it's otherwise terrible looking back. But the overall shape is there. Bigger phone, but it's nice and grippy, easy to hold. So that's cool. Speaker is a little bit tinier at the top. No home button. There we go. Put it with its brethren here. Got the 4 form factor, the 5 form factor, and the 12 form factor. Speaking of form factors, compare it to my iPhone 10 here. About the same size, a little bit taller. Yep. So I think it's like a fraction of a millimeter wider, but you can't really feel it. But when you look side to side, there's just, I don't know, there's so much more to grip on it that I think that'll be nice. So, yay, new phone. Pretty cool stuff. Compare the backs. My iPhone 10 is space gray. It has a not matte back on it. It was back when they used to put iPhone on iPhones back in the day. Remember that, when the iPhones were called iPhones and the Apple logo was not in the center as it is today? Now the back is all clean and devoid of any markings. The back of my iPhone 10 is not devoid of markings because it has micro abrasions from its case, which look like all these little specks, but overall it's in pretty good shape. So there they are. Ta-da! All right, now it's time to get my phone set up and start using it.